That one right there. That's it. That's all you need. Just a little bit. Add some RC20 to it. I made a sound pack, and it's fire. Roll the intro.
Ron got the recipe.
We're gonna go through my sound pack sauce on the side. Here it is right here. So in the pack, you get some audio samples, you get some drum samples, and you get a bonus pack, which is probably, I think, to me, the bonus pack is like the best thing. So let's see what we got. First off, we got some classic R&B loops. Conscious rap. We also get some neo soul, which is my favorite, like my favorite of favorite things to do. And let's go on to some drums, man. I like the corned beef kit. I think it might be one of my favorite ones on here, aside from the Hot Pocket. Perfect for that boom bap. Let's go back to that corned beef though. So each loop has the name of it and the BPM. So once you drag and drop into your session, it automatically syncs up. So let's go ahead and duplicate that. All right, so I took you guys through the audio samples. Remember, you get classic R&B, conscious rap, neo soul, and storyteller, but we didn't go through the bonus pack yet, which is probably has some of the dopest stuff in there. Mama Told. We got this Q-tip loop. So you can drag and drop, mix them together. To get a little bit cleaner, I go down here into the Complex Pro, and I'm good to go now. There's one loop right there, and we could build around that, or we could start from scratch. Let's use the drum loop. So we got the drums pulled up. It's gonna be quick. Let's do some piano. Hold up. Oh, okay. Let's record it. I think we got it. Let's lower that a little bit. It's all about the accents, man. Let's make this a piano real quick. Piano. I like mine to be like a one color, so make it all red. Boom. All right, let's add a bass line or something to this. I'm gonna go with the prime bass. I usually go with the Rickenbacker, which is dope. But I've been switching it up and doing the prime bass, which is also really good. I do Motor City muted. Let's see what we get from the top. Then we got it. Let's add some guitar rig for a little more funk on there, a little more funk. All right, so inputs, bass, genres, funk. I'm gonna try out this analog. I don't say analog, auto filter bass. Cool. I also doing some one shots too, and some. I call it one shots and some because it's like other stuff in there too. So in the and some, we got some bongos, shaker, you can never go wrong with tambourine. I mean, tambourine is just. Let's go. Tell you, tambourine is undefeated. All right, we got the tambourine in there, and this is just 8 measures. So, quick hookup, something that you can do really simple. Drag and drop, you're good to go. Boom. Let's add a crash in. I'm a stickler for using things that sound realistic, so I'm going back to Contact. What I usually use is the Abbey Road 70s drummer kit. You can use any one of these in here, but I always use that one right there. That's it. That's all you need. Just a little bit. All right. I would add some guitar. I could. But I'm going to keep it in the piano family. So I'm going to go ahead. I duplicate this piano. What I'm going to do is add some RC20 to it. You know, RC20, what all the cool kids are using now. I think that's good just by itself right there. Bum, bum, bum. Boom. All right, y'all. So that's my sound pack. Sauce on the side. It's just something where you can easily drag and drop some loops, get it creatively going, and hopefully create something you like. Go ahead and subscribe, comment, like the video. The sound pack is on my website, in the description, rongottherecipe.com. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, hit me with a like, drop some comments, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Peace.